So, hola again. My name is Henrietta Hurtado, and I am going to teach you how I make a very simple, healthy guacamole from using avocado, which is aguacate in Spanish. Aguacate is actually a Nahuatl word term, and this beautiful green gold, which is also known as, is going to help me make some guacamole for you. So what I did is I finely diced just a bit of onion, and I have some leftover lemons from a soup I ordered the other day. Remember, I don't like throwing away food, so I'm gonna use the juice of this green lemon or lime, whatever it is, whatever you have at home. So also this keeps the avocado from turning brown and makes the guacamole a lot more flavorful. Is your mouth watering yet with all this citrus juices? Perhaps. And let me get a bit of salt. So again, this is some sea salt from Colima, Mexico. It's a lot of salt. So I'm not gonna put everything. All I have to do is mix this a bit. And this is creating a beautiful, healthy guacamole. I often use guacamole instead of mayo when I'm making a sandwich, for example, or it's a nice, beautiful dip with chips or veggies or with an omelet. Guacamole goes, avocado goes with everything, but this guacamole dish is so popular, and I'm getting ready to enjoy this with some chicken fajitas. But you could eat this beautiful, healthy spread every single day of your life, and it's very healthy, has tons of vitamins, and I encourage you to prep this meal as often as you wish. Thank you for watching, and of course I have to mention that avocados are mainly imported from Michoacan, Mexico, which is where my parents are from, part of my heritage. And also thinking of the Mexican team, which is playing tonight. And green is also, this green actually is the color of my birthstone, which is a peridot. So many reasons to enjoy eating guacamole, and I hope you try this dish sometime soon. Gracias. Adios.